Every school has its own candy dealer, because sneaking food into class is not that easy. It's time to fix your makeup and powder your nose. Hey, what are you doing? Erica's confused. Cindy dips her sponge in powder and then eats it. Should I try it too? Ew, that's disgusting! Erica, are you going crazy? This isn't a sponge, it's a sweet marshmallow. And the powder box holds Nutella. Dip the marshmallows in the Nutella and pop them in your mouth. Oh my gosh, you have such a creative mind! Cindy's a master of disguise. Look what she did! She made a cheat sheet on bubblegum tape and disguised it in a tape case. They are definitely getting A's this time. Suddenly, Cindy destroys the evidence, and the cheat sheet turns into gum. Look, she blew a bubble. I can't believe it. Are those formulas? I think Cindy invented the first algebra-flavored gum. Teachers are human too. Resting between classes is crucial. And, of course, Miss Candy has her own delicious stash. The secret to her good mood is hidden in the globe. Come here, Gummy Bear! Okay, now I can keep teaching. More specifically, chew on a candy disguised as a pencil. What do you have there? It would be better if the students stopped bothering me with their questions. Go already! A little sugar and her mood immediately improves. What a boring class! Maybe a sweet bracelet will make the lecture a little more interesting? Rainbow Skittles on tape? So imaginative! And on the other hand, there's a chewy gummy bracelet. Erica is so sad and so hungry. Oh, I have a gummy choker. Oops, I think the clasp is stuck. Yeah, I guess I didn't think of that. It's not easy to eat. It's a good thing Cindy has such a good heart. Psst, pick one, just make it quick. I love candy. Oh, students! How much longer will it take you to do this simple task? Cindy needs a brain boost. It's good to have it on hand, or in her ear. Wow, it's an edible earring! Olives and cheese are any foodie's dream. And while Miss Candy is explaining the subject, her rings are turning into regular earrings. So, I ate all my supplies. How am I going to make it to the end of class? Although Cindy doesn't stay upset for long. Look, she's already figured out a new way to sneak in food. Decorating your hair with lollipops? Why not? Bright and tasty! In case you suddenly get hungry. And here comes Miss Candy. Oh, Cindy, what an interesting hairstyle! I'd love to wear my hair like that, but it's too short. The coast is clear. You can start eating your candy. And remember to share it with your friend. Donut glasses? That's amateurish and pointless. The chocolate accessory gets you caught in no time. Cindy's laughing because she's hiding donuts in a safer place. After all, donuts look so much like hair ties. That's a good idea. Erica is kicked out of the classroom, and Cindy doesn't care. What will happen today? Students will break the rules. What were you thinking, bringing a box of nachos to class? Thought I'd believe it was a purse? So rude! It's a good thing Cindy has a better plan. She covers the tube of her favorite chips, so no one has a clue about what's inside. Looks like a blueprint tube, and your chips are inside. It'll be our little secret. Miss Candy doesn't care about the girls now. She's enjoying the confiscated nachos. Mmm, delicious! When you get an assignment and not a lot of time to do it, it can be really stressful. Well, it's a good thing Cindy's creative about more than just bringing in food, but also in the way she sets up her cheat sheets. And Erica took care of the candy. Look at all this candy hidden in some tape. But Miss Candy has a nose for sugar, so the first chocolate bar gets taken. Good thing there's plenty more. Hello again! What is it this time? A balloon with popcorn inside? Sure, but how do you reach it without getting caught? It's much more comfortable wearing it in your hood. You can get a snack at any time. But Erica is about to lose her delicious accessory. The evil teacher takes a thumbtack and launches a popcorn explosion. It's spectacular and so sad. Don't forget to clean it up. Erica takes her friend's example and learns the art of disguise. Here's a can of Coke. If you hide it in lab test tubes and put a thin, flexible tube inside, you can drink soda without anyone noticing. Oh, there's Cindy! Looks like she swallowed a watermelon, but judging by the straw sticking out of her collar, it's all about the soda, which she's hiding. The teacher is beginning to suspect something. Here comes the reveal. Erica failed again. Now she'll have to explain herself to the teacher. Why don't you just blame it on Cindy? She broke school rules too. Wow, that's imaginative. There's a hot water bottle of soda hidden underneath her clothes. Wow, that was impressive. But what difference does it make if the secret is out? She claims to be a friend. Erica wants to make it up to her with a box of Tic Tacs. Oh, my favorite mints! How can you be mad after something like that? Oh, students these days! They bring Coke to class. But why not enjoy some soda? As long as it's right there. And so that nobody notices anything. Miss Candy hides behind a big dictionary. But you can't fool the students. Miss Candy, how could you? What kind of example are you setting for your students? Both students come to class with bandaged arms. Coincidence? I think not. But if Erica's really hurt, Cindy is hiding sweet fondant. She really is creative. And here's another bonus, sympathy from our strict teacher. What a delicious cast! Unfortunately, Erica has a regular bandage on her arm. Looks like after seeing her students' life hacks, Miss Candy is also starting to wear food right on her body. She has so much candy on her belt. Look stylish.
Wow.
And the girls have a great motivation to go ask for help more often. Of course, that's a great time to steal candy. It's no wonder the inventor herself gets almost nothing. Well, at least there's a Frutella ring left. I love fruit jewelry! Did you like our sketches about sneaking candy into school? Which of these ideas seem the most likely to succeed? Tell us in the comments! Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so you don't miss more Troom Troom Select sketches about school!